Lyra Finance is one of the top places where you can trade perps as well as buy and sell options. On top of that, they are currently running a campaign with different rewards. So I'm going to show everything in this video, give you a short tutorial on different options if you never traded them. But of course, remember, nothing here is financial advice. Crypto is risky, especially derivatives assets. So let's get started with Lyra. Basically, they're doing a version 2.0 and they're launching everything anew, adding new chains. Currently, you can deposit from Ethereum mainnet, Optimism, and Arbitrum. And they're doing really cool stuff. As you can see, the interface is pretty slick. I'm going to sign in a moment. First of all, we're going to go through the main website. So all-time trades, 200,000 different trades, total volume over $2 billion. So that's pretty cool. Also, the unique thing is that they have both options and perps, which means that you can do something like covered calls, covered puts, covered longs, and basically do a couple of things. So when you actually long and then buy a put in order to have this secure position, delta neutral, and I'm going to show you exactly that, as well as mention a couple of other things as well. So deep liquidity, a bunch of other cool stuffs, your keys, your crypto. So basically you create a separate wallet for the account on Lyra. You can always export that, so that's pretty cool. And of course, you can participate in governance. There's a Lyra token. This will be also the token for rewards that will be paid out, but this is the tokens that allow you to participate in the community, vote, and basically join in on all the fun here. So as I've mentioned, there's a Lyra Economics version 2.0, and basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to give away 150 million Lyra tokens. Current price of Lyra token is around $0.1, so that's around $50 million to be given away to bootstrap Lyra chain and the version 2 of the protocol. And the biggest rewards that we're getting is within the first launch season, so that's right now, and that's going to be the top within the next couple of weeks. So if you want to participate, that's the best way. You get basically subsidized to trade, to buy options, to do a lot of cool stuff. So we're going to jump in right now into Lyra. I'm going to show you how it's cool, and then I'm show you a couple of strategies that you can employ. Again, underlying that nothing here is financial advice and this is super risky. So you can sign in with your MetaMask wallet, of course. If you're doing that for the first time, you sign in and then you will have to, of course, deposit. I recommend depositing either on Arbitrum or Optimism, because then you, of course, don't have to pay such large fees. So this is my current portfolio. I just put in like $10 and I started trading with that. So if you're starting, you can go to in the top right corner, you have deposit, and you can deposit on a bunch of networks as I've mentioned. So you have Arbitrum, Optimism, and Ethereum mainnet. And of course, if you pay more than, for example, $100 when it comes to Arbitrum, you won't have to pay network fees. So that's already cool. Now, what you can see here in the portfolio is that I already have positions, something that is called covered long. Basically, I have I'm longing Ethereum with the size of 0.001 ETH, so super small size just for educational purposes. But at the same time, I bought a small put for 0.2. So this is with leverage. This is not leverage, but this is a put option that basically I will make money on it when the Ethereum price will go below the price of 3,150. And this is in this way I basically have almost the delta neutral position, basically allowing me to make money whenever ETH goes up. So I make money on the long. If the ETH goes really down, then I will make money on my put. This is some spread, so I can be out of the money, but this is still fine. And this is one of the strategies I wanted to mention. If you want to go on the other strategies, I recommend the text on pccrypto.co. The link will be down below in the description as well as special referral link if you want to start trading on Lyra, because with that you can get additional bonus. Basically, the code is pccrypto. For the referral, I'm going to link that down below. But basically, in this text, I explain how you can farm Lyra rewards, and for example, also explain in detail options, what is call option, what is put option, what that allows you to do, but basically also a couple of bullish, neutral, and bearish strategies if you want to go. So basically what we're going through here will be covered calls, and covered calls is, for example, the strategy that involves buying an asset and then selling a call option on it. So it's a way to earn premium income while holding the asset. So the example here would be currently holding Ethereum. In the case of Lyra, you can long Ethereum, which is say valued at $3,000. To generate additional income, you decide to sell a call option with a strike price of 3,100. So basically you're selling a call option means that you're getting the money right away on the call option. And this is the way to actually get the premium, but then you also will make money on the on your long position here. So if Ethereum's price remains below 3,100 until the option's expiration, the option will expire worthless, allowing you to keep the premium from selling the option and your ETH holdings. So this is one of the examples. If you want to get more like things like that, you have also bullish or bearish strategies. All work pretty well on Lyra. You can do all of them with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Basically, you have long call, the classic bullish strategy involving buying call options, betting on the price of underlying asset to rise. So that's a classic long call, just buying call option. You have bullish call spread. This strategy involves buying a call option while simultaneously selling another call option with a higher strike price. So you basically do both things, and this is a good example to understand. So for example, with Ethereum at $3,000, you implement a bullish call spread by buying a call option with a strike price of 3,100 and simultaneously selling another call option with a strike price of 3,200, both expiring in the same month. If Ethereum's price rises and settles between 3,100 and 3,200, you can profit from the difference between these two strike prices minus the cost associated with the options. So really cool stuff. Now let's do something like that on Lyra and how you would do it. So first of all, I'm going to close my positions here. So I'm going to close the max and just close the position. Close another position, so selling the option. Also max, close the positions. As you can see, I'm paying fees, and at the same time I'm getting Lyra tokens for those. So basically those fees are absurdly high. You basically get for each $1 spent, you get basically around $6 in Lyra tokens. Of course, everything depends on Lyra tokens as well. So this is risky, but you basically get rewards that will be distributed within the couple of days. Now let's go with the covered call. So the easiest position you would do probably is, for example, longing Ethereum. If you're bullish, you basically long Ethereum. I don't have much size here on the position, so I'm going with 0.01 again. Going to the market and basically opening the leverage being say 2x, and then let's say I open the position, right? So I just opened the position, bought on the market. This is like on every other exchange. Everywhere you trade, you have market or limit orders. So I opened the position. Now I want to cover that long. So I go to options. I have ETH chosen. I choose February 28 because that's tomorrow. I want to do like 1 day, and this will be a short-term position. So you have a date, that's the expiry date, and you have the strike. This is the price that you bet on the option. So the current price of ETH is 3,200. So basically I would go for the same price or maybe a little bit higher, and say I want to sell the call option here. I can either go with calls, but let's say I'm here on the call side, and basically what I'll be doing, I'll be selling the call price for 1 day. For basically what I want to do is sell it for, let's say, around the same price. So 3,250 should be fine. I click on that. I want to sell the call option, or maybe I should basically sell it a little bit higher. Do it with 0.02. Maybe I just go, I don't have enough. Yeah, that should be fine. So I just opened the position. So I basically just sold a call option, getting the premium, and also at the same time, basically, this is a little bit like buying put, but the difference is that you don't have to pay the fee. You actually get the premium right away. So this is a cool thing. So altogether, I have a covered call position. I would probably could do the same. So for example, if you go again to options, I could do the same basically with, again, February 28th, and then just buying put, or for example, for the price of the current price. So I can go with ask price and just buy, for example, 0.01 of the position. I could do that as well because actually this one was leveraged. This one is just one call, so I could probably also get one call. Well, I don't have enough for 10. I will be doing that later on. However, as you can see, this is pretty simple. Right now I have a covered position, so all is fine. I could also go to rewards and see how well that's going. I spent $3 in fees, and that's basically amounts to 124 Lyra tokens right now. So all is pretty cool. So that really looks pretty nice. I definitely going to trade more on Lyra because of those different hedging positions that you can have, and also the cool stuff is that you can already have Greek computation, so you can see your delta right away. You can see whether your delta is close to 0 here, so the position is delta neutral or not, or how far it is from what you want to achieve. You have Vega, Gamma, Theta. So basically, if you're a more experienced trader and you like derivatives, this is the place to go. This is really cool. Again, as I've mentioned, the link is down below in the description for the referral link. PC Crypto, you get additional bonus on top of everything. And this won't be lasting forever. They really want to redo everything with bonuses, so definitely worth having a look. Of course, again, nothing here is financial advice. Derivatives are especially risky, so you should be aware of that, but definitely worth trying out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.